All right, we're back. We're back. We're back. 3 boxes. Our final break tonight, ladies and gentlemen. 3 boxes of Mosaic Hobby. Here we go. We love some hobby. Let's read some names. 461. Again, tomorrow we'll be breaking the exact same 4 breaks. So we're going to have some formula. We're going to have some baseball, some football, and basketball. So here we go. Atlanta Hawks, Javon. Nicholas, Celtics. Dustin H. with the Nets. Sky with the Hornets. Fang with the Bulls and Cavs. Nigel with the Mavericks. Nuggets going to Sohail. Adam with the Pistons, Milo with the Warriors, Jeremy with the Rockets, Dylan with the Pacers, Sohail with the Clippers, Don G with the Lakers, Sohail with the Grizzlies, Dustin with the Heat, Nate with the Bucks, Jason with the T-Wolves, Sky with the Pelicans, Sohail with the Knicks, Joseph D with the Thunder, Graham, or as my partner here says, Graham with the Magic, Chris S with the Sixers and Suns, Sohail with the Blazers, Rick A with the Kings, Fang with the Spurs, Sohail with the Raptors, Sky's got the Jazz and the Wizards. Congratulations to everybody who won a team. Certainly appreciate you guys choosing Wax Zone for your breaking needs, where we embrace the chase. Now let's put a smile on that face. Let's go.
Somewhere in the world, his name is Graham, is it?
Graham? Mm-hmm. I don't know about that one. Tyler said, "I'm coming for you tomorrow." Yep. That's what you get for day napping, man.
You need a power nap, man.
We all do. Empty box. Here we go. Box 1. Let's get after the mosaics.
The no huddle's coming out soon.
No huddle?
Well, not no huddle. I apologize.
That would be kind of weird.
No.
That actually makes sense because there is no huddle. I mean, they do huddle
for football.
Yeah, for football, but they do huddle in basketball too, but very briefly. They're all like, "What you doing after this? What you doing after this?"
Oh, man.
Call out your teams. Call out your players. Let us know what we're looking for. Thank you for joining us. Please like, follow, subscribe. All that good stuff. Join our loyalty program on Wax Zone Sports or WaxZoneBreaks.com.
2/15.
What is it?
On the 15th, supposedly.
Everything is coming out on the 15th.
Oh,
is
yeah,
what you're
everything's on the 15th. I was like, Panini Mosaic.
Panini Mosaic? Okay.
Panini's going to drop like 10 different products at once.
Their printers are like overheating right now as we speak.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, everyone. Let's go. Last break. Let's make it count. Here we go. We got ourselves an auto of What? The Worm.
That is cool.
Dennis Rodman for the Chicago Bulls for fans. Gotta love a little worm action. That's what she said. Dennis Rodman, Mosaic Auto. Congrats. All right, we got Norman Powell Silver. We got a blue Josh Hart to 99. Blue Mosaic for Portland. That's 54 of 99. Montage tree. Oh, we got the nice starting 5 for the Clippers. Mosaic. Sire Williams rookie. Moses Moody rookie. A silver Joel Embiid. A red Yusuf Nurkic. Red Mosaic, not numbered. Jonathan Kuminga introductions. Love the Overdrive. Check that out, man. They look like Genesis. Overdrive Mosaic Devin Booker. Sweet card for Phoenix. Herbie Jones. Jaden Springer. Evan Mobley. Josh Giddey. D'Angelo Russell Mosaic. A Davion Mitchell rookie red Mosaic. A Moments in Time. Derrick Rose, another Chicago Bulls hit. Mosaic when he won his MVP award. The youngest MVP in league history. That was a good time. Good time in Chicago. Ja Morant, the greatest player of all time.
I'll say all time.
Not all time. Current time. Austin Reeves. Sandro Mamukashvili. That's right. I said Sandro Mamukashvili. Gotta love him. Herbie Jones. I miss my Facundo Campazzo. Scotty Barnes, silver. Nice silver rookie. Congrats.
That's like
National pride.
They stopped printing his card.
I know. Domantas Sabonis, red Mosaic. Davion Mitchell rookie. Joshua Primo. Kai Jones. Brandon Boston Jr. for the Clippers. Mosaic rookie. Red Mosaic of Mike Conley for the Jazz. A Mosaic montage of Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Milwaukee Bucks. Milwaukee. Cade Cunningham, rookie. Scotty Barnes, James Bonite. Lots of base. There we go. Duarte, rookie. Jalen Green, rookie. Evan Mobley. Precious. A Darius Baisley, Mosaic. A red Mosaic of Kobe White. Lexi. Rising Stars, Evan Mobley, Mosaic. Chris Duarte, Trey Mann. Kawhi Leonard, Mosaic. A red Mosaic of Bradley Beal. A Stairmaster Mosaic of Zach LaVine, another Bulls hit. Jeremiah Robinson Earl, Day'Ron Sharp, Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs. There's Jalen after Jalen. A silver Gary Trent Jr. A red Domantas Sabonis. Red Mosaic. Rising Star LaMelo Ball, but we don't care about LaMelo anymore, I guess. Remember the whole LaMelo thing? Ayu Dosunmu, who balled out for the Chicago Bulls. Keon Johnson. You need to start watching basketball again. Isaiah Jackson, Mosaic for Indiana. Joel Embiid, red Mosaic. Stairmaster, Mosaic. Luka, the Donkey Doncic. No, not yet, Tyler. I'm waiting. Waiting.
Which one? What?
Jahi pulled me. Javion Mitchell. A Dennis Schroeder silver. And a Jared Allen. Was it pink or purple? Do you remember that now? I thought it was purple.
Oh, man. I
thought it was purple. 29/49. Jared Allen to purple Mosaic. Thought it was purple. All right, that was box 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what box 2 is. Oh, you just gave up?
No.
He's like, yeah, fuck it. It's whatever you want it to be.
I'm trying to catch up.
Well, I'm sure it says it on here, right? Well, no, then, yeah, no, it would, right?
I'll find.
Purple Mosaic. Bancho.
As long as they got it right. It says purple.
Yeah, that's what I said, purple.
There's no pink. Which they look pink to me. I mean,
everything looks pink to you.
It's not like you're orange and purple.
Yeah, he got those rosy colored glasses. See, Tyler, the kind of life he lives, this charmed life. Got those rose colored glasses. All he sees is pink, rainbows, and and ice cream. Speaking of, now I really want ice cream. Strawberry. Oh, I can go for some strawberry ice cream. Don't at me. I don't care what you think about strawberry ice cream. How can you not like strawberry ice cream?
You just went with the most.
Like, strawberries, good. Milk, good. Cream, good. Sugar, great.
That's like that. You have the chocolate strawberry in the middle of what's that called?
Yeah, Neapolitan or something.
Yeah. When you buy that,
I only eat the strawberry.
You literally pick the worst one out of the 3.
Then we would really get along if you could eat the outer edges and I'll eat the pink.
I'm not gonna eat any ice cream with you. That's weird. But okay.
You just made it weird. I ain't gonna eat no ice cream with you. Zion. LeBron James, silver. Derrick Rose, red Mosaic. I'm not gonna eat any ice cream with you. Jalen Suggs, rookie. Kuminga, rookie. He's lying. If I had that right now,
in the same box.
That you're not making your case. I can't. I'm not eating the same car. That pink stuff out of that box.
You like eating that? Oh wow.
Tyler, just wait till you get here, bro. Hey, Facundo Campazzo. And when Dylan Brooks. Oh, Scrappy.
Speaking of
Scrappy, we got a Scrappy auto.
What are the odds?
He's Nut Punch Brooks. He got suspended for 1 game.
I know, that was a weak shot though.
Yeah, come on, man. Karis LeVert. They got a thing with him and Donovan have a thing going. Karis LeVert, silver. Harrison Barnes, red Mosaic. Franz Wagner, introductions. Another Davion Mitchell, overdrive. Beautiful looking card. These are so awesome looking. Mobamba. Already
He got in a fight today.
Yeah, Zaire Williams. I heard you say that. Delano Banton, Santi Aldama.
Who was it?
Probably with his own shadow. Moses Moody. He doesn't look very tough. Moses Moody, rookie Mosaic. A red Mosaic of Brandon Ingram. LeBron. Stairmaster Ant-Man. He got overlooked for the All-Star game. Mosaic. And so did Shai Gilgeous.
That's this month, right?
I don't even know.
It was February.
Could be.
Valentine's Day weekend. Kind of around there.
Scrappy Doo, I call him. Usman Garuba.
That base.
Yeah. Charles Bassey, Aaron Wiggins. It's base. Feel my motherfucking base in your face. Jalen Green, silver. What? KD, red mosaic. You never heard that song? No. Davion Mitchell. I think I've asked you that before. Introductions. Feel my motherfucking base in your face. Davion Mitchell again. Cade Cunningham, Cam Thomas. Hey, Krispy Kreme. I don't like Krispy Kreme donuts, just so you know. Herbie Jones, red mosaic rookie. A montage of took the punch and nuts. Donovan Mitchell.
You don't like Krispy Kreme donuts?
Nope.
Why?
It's just the Alperin singing, Krispy Kreme, Jalen Green, because it's like just pure sugar. It's just ugh.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, Tyler. I agree. Cade Cunningham, Franz Wagner. Why you like it? Chris Duarte, mosaic. A red mosaic of OG Anunoby. Ooh, nice Stairmaster, Jason Tatum mosaic. Are you a big
not like a fan that I need to go have it.
Oh, he likes those pink donuts. Dude, Tyler, you know his nickname was in high school? Do you even want to know? Alperin singing.
Mine?
Yeah.
What was it?
You don't remember now?
What?
Oh my God.
What? Remind me.
His license was ARK, then SSS. It's ARC, the Stink Star Stretcher. Ayo Dosunmu, Jalen Johnson. Don't you remember that?
I don't.
I know you like to forget.
The car got repoed.
Stink Star Tyler's liking the Stink Star Stretcher. Shai Gilgeous Alexander Silver. A blue Monte Morris mosaic to 99, 15 of 99. LaMelo Ball, and a straight fire of Cade Cunningham is Sam. Cutting into a pink ham. I can't anymore. Cade Cunningham. What is happening right now? We've lost all control.
Dude, we're losing viewers on top of it.
Well, it's not my fault. I'm not one breaking. Quentin, McBride, Luca Garza. Oh my God. Donovan Mitchell mosaic, red mosaic of Maxi Pad Kleber. And moments in time, you got Russell Westbrook for the Wizards. Mosaic. Jalen Suggs, Joshua Primo, Moses Moody. A silver of LeBron James again. Red mosaic of Will Barton. Rising Star Cade. Trey Murphy, Bones, Highland, Evan Mobley. A red mosaic of Delano Banton, rookie. And a Trae Young montage mosaic for the Hawks. Oh, twin popper outer. Oh yeah, that is true.
That's Jenny.
That should be Jenny's.
That's Jenny. That should be Jenny's nickname, not mine.
Yeah, that is true. That's more Jenny's.
I mean, I understand I contributed, obviously, but
he's like, I hope so. Well, last box, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll get to redo this all over again tomorrow. I'm sure everyone has us on mute anyway at this point.
Silver Jalen.
What's that?
Silver Jalen.
Yeah, I saw that.
Silvers are like the best.
Yeah, silver's like the card, right?
Tomorrow will be different.
Oh, because he's gonna have Toronto.
Oh,
all right.
He said no naps tomorrow.
Oh man.
He's gonna be
Well, 'cause he's not working
gonna be in
tomorrow.
every break tomorrow.
Well, that's good. Whenever Tyler's got action, you know, he gets everything hyped up.
He does.
God, every time I open a Mosaic, that cellophane, a specific Mosaic cellophane, I just think of all the millions of packs we opened in 2019. We were like, it's like crack.
It's Mosaic. Mosaic was cracked.
It was crack. That's the most cards I have is Mosaic. I have like 5,000 of them or something, maybe more. All right, here we go. Gotta love Boban. All right, there's Boban Marjanovic. Mosaic. A red Mosaic Desmond Bain. A Mosaic montage of De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Jalen Suggs, Jonathan Kuminga. Luka. A red Mosaic of Facundo Campazzo. Love it. Give me a reason to say his name. Rising Star of Tyrese Maxey.
That's cool too.
Yeah. Tyrese Maxey, Rising Star Mosaic. Zaire Williams. Dallin O'Banton, Santi Aldama. A silver KCP. A red Joel Embiid, red Mosaic. And a Luka Doncic, straight fire.
How much?
How much for the Luka?
I know.
Very nice Luka Doncic, the donkey. That's his nickname, right? I think it is. Yeah, it is now. Josh Christopher, Thor, Jared Butler, Evan Mobley, Mosaic rookie. There you go. A Patrick Beverly, red Mosaic. Introduction, Jonathan Kuminga. Moments in Time, DeAndre Ayton for Phoenix, Mosaic. Josh Giddey, Jonathan Kuminga. Trey Murphy. A silver Killian Hayes for Detroit. And a James Harden. Purple Mosaic for Philadelphia to 49. 43 of 49. 42 off his jersey number. James Harden. A Kristaps. Whatever happened to Jordan Noir? I say that every time. Franz Wagner. Franz Wagner. Cam Thomas. Scotty Barnes.
Didn't pull that one.
Nope. Trey Murphy, Bones Highland, Evan Mobley. Silver Giannis Antetokounmpo. Another cool looking card. A red Mosaic Ivica Zubac. Ivica Zubac. Zupa. Pirtle. Scotty Barnes, Davion Mitchell. And Jason Preston for the Clippers is our...
Another initial.
All right. Is our auto. Jason Preston for the Clip Show. So heal.
Come on, man. Come on,
Lazy
guys.
asses.
Let's try.
Silver and Alperin. Nice silver rookie. A red Jalen Green. Red Mosaic, that is. Another overdrive of Mr. Evan Mobley. Very nice card. Bo Knight. Brandon Boston Jr. Isaiah Jackson. Red Mosaic of Patrick Beverly again. Stairmaster Chris Middleton Mosaic. Last stack, everyone. Quentin Grimes. Miles McBride. Luka Garza. A silver Luka Doncic. Very nice Luka Doncic. Very nice. A blue,
nice.
a blue Keon Johnson Mosaic to 99, 66 of 99, or 66 of 99, or 69 of 69. Jalen Suggs, slippery. Joshua Primo, Moses Moody, PJ Washington Mosaic. A red Mosaic of Charles Bassey, rookie. a montage of Zach LaVine, Mosaic, another Bulls hit. And that will do it. Let's recap our autos and numbereds. All right, we have a James Harden to 49, purple. It's beautiful Luka straight fire. A Will Barton, 75th anniversary. These are not numbered, but they are the 75th anniversary mosaics. A Kate Cunningham. We had 2 nice straight fire cards. A Monte Morris to 99 blue. A Keon Johnson, 99 blue. A Jared Allen to 49 purple. And a Josh Hart to 99 blue. Our autos were Mr. Jason Preston, mosaic for the Clippers. A Scrappy Brooks for the Grizzlies. And a Worm for the Bulls. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow for the same exact breaks. Same bad channel, same bad time. Tyler, as always, thank you so much for hanging in there with us. See you tomorrow. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Be safe. Have a good night.